my channel, Be Truly Free, where we're focused on money, mindset, and freedom. Okay, so most of you may be familiar, but I'm just going to take you from the nuts and bolts what affiliate marketing is and what high ticket affiliate marketing is. So affiliate marketing is just a way to earn a passive income stream online. Everyone's doing it nowadays. It's totally awesome. Like you can now promote other businesses. There's a it's called clickbank.com, where you can just literally, it's free to join. You can just go on there, find a top company or find a company that really speaks volumes to you. You can grab their link, you can promote it for free and get paid. That is traditional affiliate marketing. And just so you know, the top niches, just in case you want to get into affiliate marketing, the top niches to promote inside affiliate marketing are health, wealth, and relationships. So that is the traditional way to do affiliate marketing. Of course, right? So while I was on my own journey, I stumbled upon someone talking about high ticket affiliate marketing. And I'm like, high ticket affiliate marketing? What's that? So of course I went on my little search, and basically high ticket affiliate marketing is you're doing the same exact thing, right? So let's say with the traditional affiliate marketing, some offers you do have to pay to kind of play. You do have to pay to be an affiliate, and let's say you'll get, I don't know, $50 per person, $60 per person. You can go up to, like, you know, traditional ones like go up to a couple $100 per person per sale, right? That's traditional. High ticket, depending on what program you decide to go into, you can make like between 5 to 10 grand per person. Okay? Now, here's where Be Truly Free comes in. Because I'm like, Bree, how much money do you need to make? And you ask yourself that. How much money do you need to make today to quit your job? Okay? With a high ticket affiliate marketing program, you get there way sooner, okay? So all you're doing basically is promoting whatever you decide to promote. I personally promote one of the best schools in the online marketing game. So because if you want to have a business online or whatever the case may be, you gotta learn how to do it, right? So everyone needs a course no matter what on making money online. So that's why I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go into this niche, because this niche is like one of the most profitable niches to get into. Not only teaching people how to make money online, but to become an affiliate of a program already built for you. So not only do I use this program, I'm also an affiliate of this program, and literally you make bank, okay? So let's say if you need $10,000 a month consistently to quit your job, $10,000 a month consistently to quit my job, with the marketing with the program that I'm promoting, when the link is down below, you can quit your job. You just need 2 sales. Let's keep it real. You just need 2 sales in order to quit your job. Right? Like, isn't that beautiful? 2 sales to quit your job. And so you can, in this high ticket affiliate game, like, I'm only promoting one thing right now because the value ladder behind it, like, it literally just promotes itself. Like, I don't do anything. Like, I literally just drop my link and that's it. It's so beautiful, like the way he set up the synergy for everyone to win. And I love it because he teaches attraction marketing inside. Like, that is what, like, it's all about. So yes, you're going to learn, how to do stuff on YouTube, how to do stuff on Facebook, how to do stuff on Pinterest. You're going to learn it all to set yourself up financially the right way and learning the nuts and bolts and the whys behind really becoming, setting up your online business. I forgot my train of thought. But anyways, it's awesome. So I highly recommend high ticket affiliate marketing. Nowadays, you can sell jets. You can sell luxury luxury vacations, right? Because what you're doing now, right? Instead of being like an Amazon affiliate, and I'm not knocking Amazon because there's a lot of people that make hundreds of dollars doing something like an Amazon affiliate, you're only making a couple bucks per sale, right? Versus, like I said, a high ticket program, you're putting in the same amount of work, but now your client base are people who have money and are people who are taking their lives seriously and are people who want to change their lives, who want to fire their boss, who want to do all the things that they've always dreamed that they could possibly do. They're serious about it. And that is your customer base, are people who are serious about their lives, right? And most people who are serious about their lives, their income shows that they're serious about their lives. So it is a beautiful way. It's a beautiful way to make a lot of money very quickly. Quit your job. Like I said, you can do the math for yourselves. I'm going to leave a link down below of the program that I chose. There's a ton of programs to teach you how to make money online. There's a ton of high ticket affiliate marketing programs, but this is one of the best. So check it out. And again, I highly recommend, everyone always asks me, like, what are you doing? So the three things I'm doing to make money online is high ticket affiliate marketing, Shopify print on demand, and network marketing. All right, that's all that I have for you today. Definitely don't hesitate to like, comment, subscribe. If you're not already part of my beautiful growing tribe of Be Truly Free participants, basically, I created a 10-day challenge just to kind of get people's brains going in the right direction. Before I even knew about the power of the mind, I was in affiliate marketing and trying to kind of figure out this whole online game. But the moment I applied my challenge to my passive income streams, I started making money. So it's very powerful. Please, if you don't do anything, check out my 10-day challenge. It will change your life. Literally, it changes the way you think. We reprogram your subconscious mind for success, and that's all it is a program. So let's program it for the right things. It's gonna change your life. And then after you take the challenge, come back to my channel. Let's make some money together. Let's chase after our God-given gifts and talents together, and let's fire our boss together. All right, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you later.